Best bike in the world: Aprilia RSV4 Factory. The Aprilia RSV4 Factory is a testament to Italian craftsmanship, performance, and cutting-edge technology. Designed for pure speed and precision, the superbike is the closest a rider can get to experiencing MotoGP-level performance on the road. With an aggressive design, advanced aerodynamics, and a powerful engine, the RSV4 Factory continues to be one of the most sought-after superbikes in the world. Unmatched power and performance. At the core of the RSV4 Factory is a 1099 cubic centimeters V4 engine, producing an astonishing 217 horsepower and 125 Nm of torque. This high-revving power plant delivers relentless acceleration, propelling the bike from 0 to 100 km/h in just 2.8 seconds. The unique 65-degree V4 engine layout provides a perfect balance of power and control, making it an exhilarating ride on both the track and the road. Aerodynamic excellence. Aprilia has meticulously designed the RSV4 Factory with integrated carbon fiber winglets, derived from MotoGP technology. These winglets improve high-speed stability and enhance cornering performance by increasing downforce. The sleek, lightweight aluminum frame ensures optimal weight distribution, allowing for razor-sharp handling and agility. Cutting-edge electronics and rider aids. The RSV4 Factory is equipped with a state-of-the-art electronics package that enhances both performance and safety. Key features include Aprilia Performance Ride Control (APRC), an advanced system featuring multiple rider aids, including traction control and wheelie control. Semi-active Öhlins Smart EC 2.0 suspension automatically adjusts suspension settings for ultimate comfort and performance. Brembo Stylema braking system ensures precise braking power with superior stopping performance. Quick shift system and #40, QSS and #41 allows seamless clutchless upshifts and downshifts for a smoother ride. 6-axis IMU provides real-time data for cornering, ABS, traction control, and launch control. Full-color TFT display offers a modern and intuitive interface with customizable settings. Built for track and street domination. The Aprilia RSV4 Factory isn't just a high-performance track weapon, it's also designed for an exhilarating street riding experience. The ergonomically designed chassis, along with Michelin Power RS tires, ensures maximum grip and stability in all riding conditions. The adjustable swing arm, borrowed from Aprilia's racing division, allows riders to fine-tune their setup for optimal performance. A premium superbike worth the investment. With a price tag of approximately $26,000, the RSV4 Factory offers exceptional value for a bike that rivals MotoGP machines in terms of performance and technology. Its combination of power, precision, and exclusivity makes it one of the most desirable superbikes on the market. Final verdict. The Aprilia RSV4 Factory is not just a superbike, it's a symphony of engineering brilliance, designed for riders who demand the absolute best in speed, agility, and technology. With its powerful V4 engine, aerodynamic design, and advanced electronics, the RSV4 Factory continues to set the benchmark for high-performance motorcycles. Whether you're attacking corners on the track or enjoying an adrenaline-fueled ride on the open road, this Italian masterpiece delivers an experience like no other.